Avoid broad match keywords. Never use them. It is pretty much going to eat up your budget extremely quickly, unless you have got a big brand you are working for, or you have a big brand and all you want is exposure. Then obviously you can run it. But if you are giving a very specific call to action, then you don't want to be running on the broad match keywords. This is something which very few people use, the use of ad extensions. Why wouldn't you use them? Because with it just takes a little bit more work to set them up, and it literally doubles up the ad on Google, or sometimes even bigger. So you are taking up even more real estate on the top of the Google page. Your ads are going to look even more bigger than your competitors, and the likelihood of you getting that click increases quite a bit. Your ads have got more information, so you can have locations, call outs, call extensions, structured snippets. What else? You can have some kind of offers on their price extension. So many options available with these site extensions. So if you have got a business where all these extensions are applicable to any campaign, then what you can do is set them up at account level, and once it's set up and approved, you don't need to worry about it. Every time you create a new campaign, those site links or ad extensions will be applied to that new campaign. So always use ad extensions.